sweetheart.
Hello, babe.
How are you now?
I'm doing fine. How was your night?
My night was fine. I haven't dreamt about you.
Oh, really?
Yes, oh.
I did too. Have you eaten?
No, I've not eaten, no, but your voice that I've heard now is doing me as if I ate overfeeding.
Seriously?
Yes, oh.
Okay.
Just let me just hear from you.
Thank you very much.
You know what? I'll call you later.
Bye, Jesus.
Bye.
Bye.
Hello? Hello? Hello, can you hear me?
Hello, I can hear you.
So you can even hear me since?
Uh-huh.
How are you now?
I'm fine. What is it?
School continue. Can you hear me? Hello?
I can hear you.
Oh, just let me just greet you.
Oga, do you have anything important to tell me at all? Why did you call me?
Just let me just greet you before, Sha.
Thank you very much.
Back to bed. Go inside.
Daddy, shut up your mouth. I'm not going inside.
School continue.
Back to bed. Come and stand it.
Bomemi. Why did you hit him?
He just insulted you.
Oh, do you want to scatter my house for me, Abi?
Papa Ojo, tactically, children should not be raised in that manner.
No problem. Hello? You not go inside. Go. You not move.
I should
Use the door.
leave your house. Papa Ojo, you use the door inside.